So it's Monday, middle of the spring, and we get this weather. It's not nice. It's been like this all day. Cloudy, foggy, raining, 7 degrees, so it's really cold and damp. So we just barely see our neighbors. This is not good. But tomorrow it's going to be better, and even better on Wednesday. So we hope we get a bit of warm.
It's been several weeks now, actually. I don't know how many videos I've been able to put out, but the pollen has taken on new heights, and it's been a terrible spring, actually, because we had many years now of spring for 1 week only, and it was and then it was gone. This spring has lasted at least 6 or 7 weeks, and it still isn't over. May is the coldest it's been in forever, and yeah, the crop keep dying. It's terrible. The tomatoes are surviving, but the cucumbers just died. Some of it, not all of it. It's a bad year for growing things. It's too cold outside. Anyway, we haven't done that much because we are just too tired. Both Patrik and I have a splitting headache today just because we exist with the freaking pollen. William has been home from school for 2 days because of pollen, and Ludwig is tired. We all are very tired. Anyway, what we have done is continue on the bathroom a bit, scraping and stuff. And there's always stuff to do with the plants. We've relocated and, cut down and I don't know what. And we made several lists of what to do in the future. But we haven't done anything since Kristi Flygare. Nothing. We were supposed to paint several days ago. It's been raining. And raining like a motherfucker, It's been a wall of either mist or rain. So, actually, this is the first time I see my neighbors in a week or so. Yeah. Anyway, we really do want to continue the upgrades. But there is no use in upgrading when the upgrade is getting on with your life. You get what I mean? If we are like I'm now, I'm in so much pain from this shit weather that I can't do much. I just edit. That's all I can do. I work and edit. That's all. And Patrik is tired, and I mean, just doing the basic stuff takes a toll, I mean, we went to the recycling today with the stuff in the kitchen that keeps piling up. I don't know why. And I was so tired afterwards. That's just the way it is. That's the way life is in spring. But as soon as summer starts, it will get better. Yeah? Back to it. Yeah. Do you need a big container for the cuts?
Yeah.
And then you need a little bigger container for the
Minced meat.
The minced meat.
Yeah.
So the yellow ones. Yeah. So cutting the meat in smaller portions. Yeah. So they will fit in a hole of that size. Yeah. And of course you keep the fat.
Yeah.
You need the fat.
We want the fat.
Yeah. Fat is good for you.
Collagen.
Collagen, yeah. Okay, true story. The collagen in animal fat... Oh, I'm sorry. The collagen in animal fat makes you look younger. True story.
That's why we are so smooth.
Yeah, we look like baby faces. No, it's true. Collagen. You need collagen for the skin. And the cholesterol gets better with animal fat. Don't let anyone tell you different. The bad fats are sunflower oil, right?
Yeah.
And palm oil.
Grapeseed.
The bad one. Grapeseed oil is not bad one.
Yeah.
A grapeseed oil, a bad one.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. I didn't know that. We don't eat it, so. But the good ones are rape, olive oil, animal fat, and coconut oil. Really good for you. Yeah.
Throw your things away tonight, we'll go a different way, you and me. Tell your friends that this might take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far away.
So that's the first batch. Well, the first round, and then we're gonna do it again and put them in the freezer. So
Round
it's
two.
been round 2. It's been
1
almost an
hour.
hour. Yeah. So we put everything in the freezer and
in the fridge.
fridge. Yeah, for the meat. Yeah. Let's go. Hup, 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 hup. Yeah. No. Get my bags ready. Hup, hup, hup. Yeah. You look so professional, baby. Are you a professional?
No.
Total amateur.
Yeah. So you probably fooled someone.
Baby, let's go far, so far, you and me. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby, we'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby. We'll dance all night till the break of dawn. Come on now, let your feelings show. Oh baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was it.
Yeah.
This is dinner tonight. What are we gonna eat?
Yeah, burgers.
Yeah, you like your burgers.
Yeah, with cheddar.
Yeah. Yeah, how was that?
Good. It's a new experience.
Yeah. So usually when you buy minced meat, it costs between 60 and 80 crowns.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we bought this for 80. This for 80 a kilo, and there's no water in it.
Yeah, and it's a nicer meat. It's
Nicer meat, yeah.
Better quality from the beginning. So.
Yeah. So that will be dinner tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you had fun.
Yeah, I really. First time.
Yeah, first time for you. Just say it. I've done it. I have done it before. Many times.
Was
But-
it as good to you as it was for me?
Well, well, I'm a bit of a farmer's girl.
Yeah.
Not fully, but I've lived in the countryside all my life, and mincing meat has been tastes good.
Really good. Yeah,
Mincing meat has been a privilege of mine.
Yeah.
I even know how to make sausage.
Yeah. I think this is about 30-40% of.
30% fat? No, you're kidding. 20 at the most.
30.
No, 20. I remember the meat.
Yeah.
It's between 15 and 20.
Yeah. Okay.
Anyway, that was fun.
Yeah.
Let's eat some
Burgers.
newly minced meat burgers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
What a beautiful day in Sweden. Up here in the north. The moon